stainless steel.
Oh, it's stainless steel.
The smells locked in there. Oh, there we go. Let's throw that in there. Dirty diaper. And then you just lock it like this.
I mean, if it locks out the smells, you definitely want
They
it.
should be tight.
Yeah.
We're getting ready for the baby. We got the change table. Now we got this diaper pail from UBBI and the bags that come with it. Seal all the dirty diaper smell in there. Makes it easy for us to change the baby. Once this fills up, we can just empty out the dirty diapers without dealing with the smells. Comes in many different textures. We got this design to match the wood on the wall. Matches the floor perfectly.
It's kind of like a marble-ish grain, and it feels
Stainless steel.
Oh, it's stainless steel.
The smells locked in there. So this here is the lock. Oh, there we go. Let's throw that in there. Dirty diaper. And then you just lock it like this. So this is to
the bag in.
unload it.
There's a ring here. You can lift it. You can go from underneath, or you can go from over top. However you see fit. And then you take this and you kind of wrap it underneath this ring, like so. Right? You just want to create an opening here, and then you just press this down, lock it in, and now you have an opening here for your diaper. When you drop the diaper in, you seal it, and this also has a soft closing. See, it has a soft close, so it's not going to slam at night, which is very, very good, because you don't want to wake your baby. It's going to demonstrate again. This is a 30-pound dumbbell. We're just going to place that in here for you guys. I have actually not even done this test. Look at that. It actually holds it. That is incredible. 30 pounds. So you know that this bag is definitely going to hold all your baby's poop. So where we're going to put this? We're going to put this right here, just above the changing station, right? So our changing station is right here. Now we got the ones that you find at gas stations, except it's home friendly. And check this out though, this snaps. No, hold that up. Hold that up, look. No, don't let go. Look, it just kind of comes up on its own. Isn't that cool? And then we put our diapers and bags in there, right? You got a strap and polyurethane, I think. So this cannot stain, this cannot dent, this cannot anything. Again, a little expensive, but definitely worth it. So that's gonna go there, and then this is gonna go here. Perfect.